Ayan.
Hindi ko alam po. Bagang ibulsak mo.
Pool. Wow.
Magpindas mo ng sana.
Wow. Amazing.
Maglayang bandana po ng ramid.
Yes. Dear Mom, thank you for giving birth of me in this wonderful world, and thank you for the sacrifices you've gave to us. Even when we are very naughty sometimes, but we are lovely too. Thank you, Mama and Papa. We love you very much. Be happy. From your first child, Liberty. Wow. Appreciate this, Liberty. How about you? What will you give to me?
Nutuan kami ti adobo. Nutuan kami ti paktiw.
Agyawat ka na ano niya to iyawat mo. Today is Mother's Day. Give what you have.
Then, 20, 30.
Mother's Day gift from my darling. Thank you. I appreciate that. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mama and Papa. To Mama Carol from Phoebe. We love you all. Pink pa iti puso na na pink. Happy Mother's Day. Smile before you open. From Phoebe to Mama Carol. Dear Mama, salamat sa pag-aalaga sa amin at pagpapalaki sa amin. Maraming salamat po, Mama at Papa. We love you. I love you, Mama and Papa. I love you too. We love you too, Phoebe. Smile before you open, then I will smile before I close. Next, this is from Jaymar. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Oh, Preman. Marami ni Jaymar. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Dear Mom, you are so lovely. I love you so much. From Jaymar. Ano toy? Mother's Day card. Wow. From Elijah. Mom. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for food every day. And thank you for help me what I need. Thank you for all, Mom. You're welcome. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers.